Hello? Alright, it's a bit better. Well, I think somebody decided to go for the swim before the concert, a little bit like myself. But I think I did a better job getting the hair back in order now before this very important business. I'm going to start off with a couple of jigs to begin with, and the first one was written very recently by a great Clare musician called Damien Connolly, and I'm sure a lot of you have heard of his father, Martin Connolly, and indeed his uncle, Seamus Connolly. But Damien is living over in Connecticut, but from time to time he gets the opportunity to compose a new tune, and he's very good. He often emails them over to me, so I'm always delighted to see them coming in the inbox. This is one he sent me recently. It's called The New Box. You can only assume that he must have got a new accordion or something, and he was so excited he wrote this jig. The second one then is was written by the legendary Charlie Lennon, and he wrote it in memory of Tommy McCarthy, the great concertina and piper, and we wish Charlie all the best as well. He hasn't been too well of late, so play this for Charlie.